Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is 3-minute Excel tutorial on how to create a pivot table. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So here's a quick 3-minute tutorial on how to create pivot table in Excel. Now, first thing you're gonna do is open up your Excel on your computer. Now here, as you can see, I have here already all the data that I needed for this tutorial. And if you watch the video about COUNTIF and SUMIF, it's the data that I used also. And if you want to watch that video, just watch it in the description below. And you can watch that after this video. So, to use a pivot table, we have here the data of intake liquids from Monday to Friday. And we have here the criteria, which is the milk, juice, and the water, and the total ml consumed. So to use the pivot table, just go here on Insert. Then we have here the recommended pivot tables. So what you're going to do is go here on Insert. Then you see it's highlighted already and press this recommended pivot table. Now, you just need to highlight the data that is needed and press OK. And here, it shows you the recommended pivot table from Excel. So you just need the table that you need, and for example, this, you have the sum of total ml, and you can see for the different category, which is juice, water, and the milk. Or here, the sum of total ml by week. So the days are included, and the sum of total ml by weekdays. So it will show you like this one. So that's how you use and make pivot table. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to this channel. Thanks!